How to use expense report. Okay, gawa muna tayo ng expense. Halimbawa, Meralco bills. Halimbawa, 5,000. Sige, gawa pa tayo ng isa. Maynilad. Bills. Bigyan natin 500. Save. Tapos punta tayo dito sa reports, expense report. So, yan, makikita mo dito yung total expenses mo based dito sa petsa na to. So, tignan natin yung today. Ayan, 5,500. Pwede mo ma-check per day, week, month, quarter, or year. Pwede rin naman by store o kaya ay by breakdown. So yan, pwede mong piliin yung date range dito. Halimbawa today. So yan, meron tayo ditong 5,500 na expenses. Piliin natin itong day, all stores. Yan. So makikita mo dito, July 14, 5,500. Dalawang expense transaction yung ginawa. Okay, then pwede mo yan i-export. Then, information ng bawat labels ay nandito. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali gamitin ang expense report ng Merchant Tree.